In this lecture we are going to study voltage division rule, commonly known as VDR. First we will see where we can apply VDR. VDR can be applied where a number of resistances are connected in series as shown in this diagram. To derive the formula, let's apply KVL. This is a loop and all the resistances are connected in series, so same current will be flowing through each resistance. We will apply KVL. We will write the KVL equation for this loop starting from here: minus Vs plus V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to 0. The algebraic sum of the voltages in a loop is equal to 0. This minus Vs goes on the other side, it will become positive, so Vs is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So this can be written as Vs is equal to, since V1 is equal to IR1 plus V2 is equal to IR2 plus V3 is equal to IR3. Same current is flowing through three resistances, so we can take I common. I into R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to Vs, and from here we can find the value of Vs is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. We can find the value of I from here. I is equal to Vs divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So now we know the value of current passing through each resistance. We can find V1, V2 and V3 using Ohm's law. So we can say V1 is equal to I multiplied by R1. We know the value of I from this equation. Putting the value of I in this equation, we can find the value of V1. Vs divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 multiplied by R. This becomes V1. Similarly, V2 can be defined as I multiplied by R2, which will become R2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 multiplied by Vs, and V3 will be equal to IR3, and it will be, after putting the value of I, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 multiplied by Vs. From these results we can generalize the formula for voltage division rule. We can see the interesting relation between these. For example, when we want to find the voltage of V1, the formula becomes this: R1 divided by total equivalent resistance multiplied by the total voltage across these series connected resistances. So the general formula can become, if we want to find the voltage across the ith component, the resistance of that ith component will be in the numerator and total equivalent resistance will be in the denominator, and multiply by the total voltage of the source connected across these series resistances. So this is the formula of voltage division rule.